Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'll be showing how to install basic LAMP stack on openSUSE Linux. I'll be using mariadb instead of mysql, and plus I'll also show you how to install phpMyAdmin to make managing your database easily. So let's get started. So what is LAMP stack? LAMP and LAMP mean Linux, A mean Apache, this is web server, and M mean maybe mysql or mariadb, and P is there php. Okay, before we begin, make sure openSUSE system is up to date. So open the terminal and type sudo zypper refresh sudo zypper update. This will ensure that your system is running the latest software. Okay. The A in LAMP stands for Apache, which is the web server. To install Apache, use the following command: sudo zypper install apache 2. It's 2.9 megabyte. Once it's installed, you can start and enable it with the command systemctl or systemctl. Type in sudo systemctl start apache 2 and systemctl sudo systemctl enable apache 2. And we can check the status. So far so good, is active running. And now let's install mariadb, the M in LAMP. mariadb is a great alternative to mysql. To install it, use sudo zypper install mariadb. That's it. Okay. Then start enable the mariadb. So sudo zypper start sudo systemctl start mariadb. That's it. And we can check the status. Great. And we can enable. That will start the mariadb service on boot time. And as I also want to secure mariadb installation, so we just need to type sudo mysql secure installation. Follow the on-screen instructions to set a root password. So yes, and change the root password, no, remove anonymous user, yes, and disallow remote login, yes. Remove test database, yes. Reload privilege, yes. That's it. Next, let's install PHP, the pnlab and some PHP extensions. Let's install. So sudo zypper install php 7 dash mysql and php 7 dash apache 2. PHP 7 MySQL is for database, and PHP 7 Apache 2 is for web server. That's pretty obvious. I have some error. Find conflicts. Installing PHP 7 is just it's okay, let's ignore it. We need to make a few configuration changes to Apache and PHP to ensure they work together. So let's open the PHP configuration file. It's sudo etc php 7 apache php.ini. There is no such file. php 7, okay, CLI php.ini. Let's find short open tag off to on. Next, let's edit the Apache configuration file. So sudo etc apache 2 conft php I think it's not necessary. Let's check the PHP version. phpMyAdmin. Some Wi-Fi is working on, and openSUSE has firewall, that is firewall D, so I need to allow the web server port, that is port number 80. So sudo firewall -cmd at port 80 TCP permanent, and reload the firewall. Great, and let's check your localhost. Okay, it's okay, and that's the Apache web server we have to create the file and document root of the web server. There is a lesser server www htdcs. There is no file, so sudo pi srv www htdocs index.html. Just hello from web server. Okay, and my server IP address is 192.168.1.16, so 192.168 1.16. Okay, it's working now. And let's create a just sample PHP file or just PHP information file. So sudo srv www htdocs and info.php. So php info, that's it. And here the PHP is working now. Finally, let's install phpMyAdmin, which will make database management a breeze. So sudo zypper install phpMyAdmin. Yes. Now create a user for phpMyAdmin. So sudo mysql and show databases. Okay. Create user dbadmin. Let's say dbadmin and at localhost identified by db host. Grant all privileges on. Star to dbadmin at localhost. With grants option. Okay, flash privileges. And exit. And don't forget to replace my sample password with a strong password for you. Now that we have set everything up, you can access phpMyAdmin in web browser by going to the IP address / phpMyAdmin or your domain name / phpMyAdmin. So let like this. And great, username dbadmin, dbadmin. Okay, that's it. You have successfully installed a LAMP stack with MariaDB on openSUSE Linux and configured phpMyAdmin for easy database management. Thanks for watching, everyone. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you. If you got any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tutorials. Have a great day.